How to change font size in Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today in this video I'll be showing you how you can change font size in Facebook. So unfortunately there's no such way to change a font size on Facebook. So what you can do is you can simply customize or set it as default on your device. So if you go to your Facebook, then as you can see the font size is similar for all of these posts and contents. So in order to change your font size, what you'll have to do is you need to exit from your Facebook and then open up your settings application. Once you are on the settings page here, click the display button, and on this interface you need to scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see font size. So once you see font size, tap on it, and from here you can adjust the font size accordingly. So you can simply just drag, all you have to do is just drag the cursor towards your right or towards your left hand side, and accordingly the font size will be changed into your device for all of the features. So in this way you can change your font size on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.